Hello and welcome to Cambridge Aspire. This video will demonstrate how to read books online using the Spiral eReader. Click on the top right button here to log in. To access the eReader, click Read Online at this button on the book landing page. The Spiral eReader has many extra bits of functionality to help you study, including changing the font size. By clicking on the cog at the top here, you can change the settings and increase the font size and slow down or increase the scrolling speed. By clicking Save, you can see those changes have been made. And then if you need to change them back, just click on the cog again and reset. You can also have the book read aloud to you by clicking this icon here. By selecting play, it will start playing automatically. You can hit play and pause as you need, change the settings, such as the playback speed, you can click wherever you would like to start listening, and you can increase or decrease the volume. By clicking on this section here, you can move this toolbar wherever on the page you would like. To exit out of Play Aloud, just click the X. This toggle is for full screen mode, which just removes that top bar for you. Or you can click on full screen here and exit just as easily. To add a bookmark, select the bookmark feature on the top right and click the text to drop the bookmark in. From the bookmark menu on the left-hand side, you can view, edit, or delete bookmarks. You can dismiss the bookmark menu by clicking the cross. You can annotate text with highlighting and notes. To use these features, drag your cursor over the text that you wish to highlight and the pop-up will appear. To highlight, choose the color you wish to apply from the drop-down menu. To add a note to the text, highlight where you would like the note to go and choose Note from the pop-up menu. Then click Save. You can view, edit, or delete annotations from the Annotations menu. Here, you can also change the color of the highlighted text. Click the X to dismiss the menu. You can use the print icon in the top right hand to print out a portion of the book. Up to 15% of the content can be printed per user per book.